we're going to look at creating a line that is tangent between these two circles. In order to do this, we're going to click on the line command and make sure that line command is working. There we go. We're then going to use your shift button on your keyboard. I'm going to click on shift, and I'm using that with my left hand, and with my right hand I'm going to right click on my right mouse button, and I'm going to get this box of object snaps to pop up. So these are all object snaps that we can call as we're in the middle of a command. So I'm looking for the tangent. I'm going to point to the circle somewhere. It doesn't really make any difference where, because I'm going to zoom in. I just know that I want a line that's tangent to these two circles. I don't know where that point is, and at this point AutoCAD doesn't either. So it's called a deferred tangent. So I'm going to pick that circle, and then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to do the exact same thing to get my object snap bar to come up. So I'm going to hit shift, right mouse button. I'm going to find tangent again, click on tangent, find the circle, just kind of point anywhere. You can point anywhere. I can, that's obviously not going to be tangent, but I'm going to pick it there just to show you. And that line just created a tangent intersection. So if you zoom in really, really close, you can see that it does line up. All right, so we're going to do that again on the next one. So pick line, and it takes a few times to do this, to get feeling comfortable with hitting that shift right mouse button. I know it's a lot to kind of click on, but shift right mouse button again and tangent. And that's how we create lines that are tangent to another object. And it doesn't have to be just for this part itself. You can use it in any application where you're drawing a line tangent to a circle.